I'd like you to gently close your eyes, take a deep breath of cleansing air, and as you exhale, release any thoughts from the day. Be present here in this moment. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Tune into the highest energy frequency of the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. If you haven't already closed your eyes, just gently close your eyes and just enjoy the meditation. I am sorry is the first line of the prayer. Shower yourself with compassion while loving yourselves from the inside out. Please forgive me is the second line of the prayer. Forgiveness always allows you to heal. Gently forgive by letting go of everything that no longer serves you effectively in a healing way. Third line of the prayer, I love you. Ask your body to open every cell to healing as you bring in energy of unconditional love. Allow love and forgiveness to move into your energy field and gently heal your physical body, especially your circulatory system. And I thank you is the last line of the prayer. Imagine a loving wave of gratitude flowing through you and all around you, cleansing and clearing you from any anger, shame, guilt, hurt, or blame for any of your past actions, words, or choices. Gratitude means you have already received the gift of vibrant health. Take a slow, healing breath and focus your own very own magical healing circulatory system. Trust that you are perfectly aligned with your highest good. Rejoice in the knowledge that you have a built-in healing system. Your body had a natural defense system and healing mechanism that protected you from disease and infection by warding off colds, viruses, flus, infections, and other illnesses. Your circulatory system is set up to absorb and digest all the positive nutrition that you give it. Pamper your system. Feed it only positive, nutritional foods and beverages and positive ideas and beliefs. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Tune into your energetic body systems. Whenever you may feel under attack or weakened by toxic people, toxic beliefs, toxic circumstances, or toxic events, remember you have a built-in healing system designed just for you. Take a deep, slow, healing breath. Use your imagination to visualize a column of white light moving from the base of your spine into the ground. Allow your column of light to go deep into the earth, all the way until it reaches the loving heart of the divine Mother Earth. Allow Mother Earth to guide you, support you, and love you. Know that she has always holding a space for you. She is always ready to heal and transform any energies that you are ready to release. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Focus your attention on the top of your head. Imagine connecting to energy of Father, Son. Tap into an infinite source of unconditional love. Oh, feel that warmth. Visualize this white light energy flowing into the top of your head, flowing down through your body. Visualize every cell in your body filling up with this energy of love, compassion, and forgiveness. Be the keeper of this energy, aligned with your highest good. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you, and I thank you. As this white light energy flows in, visualize that you are upgrading your energy. You are raising your frequency. You are attracting your light body. Imagine the sun energy moving in like a healing wave, cleansing and clearing you on a deepest level. Feel the total support and love of Mother Earth, encouraging you to let go of anything that no longer is alignment with your highest good and deepest well-being. Know that your healing system is greater than any story of illness or disease. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you, and I thank you. Know this healing wave of love is helping you to release any blockages into the earth for cleansing, healing, clearing, and transformation. Every breath you take is beginning in a healing wave, setting your intention to flush out what is ready to be released so that you can bring in more and more light, more and more life force into every cell of your body for total healing and restoration. Please know that you can always, and that you always did your best. You did the best you could under any given circumstances with the skills and resources you had available to you at that time. Open yourself to compassion, to love, to forgiveness. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Focus all your attention on your circulatory system. Tap into that infinite well of liquid stem cell healing from the center of the earth. Pull up that stem cell energy into your circulatory system. Use that stem cell energy and to heal, restore, rejuvenate the tiniest particles in your circulatory system. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Ask your body to open up in order to release toxic people, toxic circumstances, and toxic events. Release any grief or sadness you have been holding on to. This is blocking your natural flow. Imagine that liquid stem cell healing energy going into your arteries, your veins, into your microscopic blood vessels. With your exhale, see how all of your cells are responding, cooperating, and opening up while boosting your circulatory system to its highest. Feel the heal. Take a deep, slow breath in. Ask your circulatory system to work with you. Feel your body opening up more and more and more with every breath. Know your body is upgrading, responding, and opening up. Ask your body to dissolve any old or outdated programming with new information to create a vibrant, healthy body. Let you loosen any contractions or stuck patterns. Imagine the power of your breath loosening up any contractions that are stored in and around your entire circulatory system. Scan this part of your body for any toxicity any frozen patterns, numbness, or any contractions surrounding past trauma or sadness. On the exhale, imagine dissolving, transmuting, and transforming any stuck energy, thereby freeing your stuck body from the patterns of the past that caused you pain, that aged your body and brought you disease. Feel it all healed now. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Set your intention to erase old patterns. Set your intention to erase this old subconscious programming that is always running in this background of the scenes of your conscious awareness. Erase, cleanse, clear any and all old subconscious programming of anger, resentment, fear, weakness, lack, or limitation of any kind. Take a deep, slow, healing breath. And on the exhale, see, know, and feel this vibrant energy radiating out into the field around you, upgrading, rejuvenating, and healing your body and your bloodstream from the inside out. Now say to your heart, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. The heart doesn't attack you. You get so caught up in the soap opera dramas of your life that you forget to love and appreciate the little and big joys of life. Forgive yourself for all the times you squeezed and squeezed and squeezed the love and joy out of life because you refused to forgive and love yourself, your family, your friends, your spouse, your life partner, your kids, your co-workers, or anybody that you perceived hurt you, wronged you, or treated you badly. Acknowledge that your heart is love, and the blood that flows through your veins is joy. I pump love and joy throughout my body and my life. I take back my power to heal my heart by nurturing myself and claiming my heart beats to the rhythm of love. I bring joy back to the center of my heart. I express love to all. Joy, joy, joy. I lovingly allow joy to flow through my mind and body and all my experiences. Say to your heart and to your lungs, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. For all the times I was afraid to take in life, I felt I didn't have the right to take in all of life. For all the times as a woman that I didn't take full breaths, but breathed shallow breaths because I thought of myself as a second-class citizen who did not have the right to take up space and was not worthy to take in life fully. For all the times I gave up on life, didn't stand up for myself, and took my anger out on myself and punished myself. I take back my power to heal my lungs by now nourishing myself and claiming I have the capacity to take in the fullness of life. I lovingly live life to the fullest. I speak up for myself freely and easily. I claim my own power. I love and support myself. I am free. I am safe. Say to your arteries and veins, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you for all the times I did not taste the pleasures of life with joy. I take back my power to heal my arteries and veins by now nourishing myself and claiming I am filled with joy. It flows through me with every beat of my heart. Now take a slow, deep, healing breath. Feel a healing wave of stem cell energy rushing in to cleanse and clear, transform and transmute and heal. Let that healing wave of stem cell energy into your circulatory system with the intention to cleanse and clear on the deepest cell level any old health stories or dramas or negative life health recipe programming. Heal it now. Tune into your intelligent field of information that is present inside and around you. Always fine-tuning your circulatory system. Feel the sensation of oxygen and life force and stem cell energy deep inside your system. With every breath you take, you are restoring and reviving all the pieces. Your heart, your lungs, your veins, your arteries that felt desensitized, numb, painful, or traumatized. They are healing right now. Bless this divine power and magical energy that is now moving in you, through you, and all around you. Imagine this intelligent energy upgrading, restoring energy to every particle of your entire circulatory system, boosting it and giving it life force energy. Imagine it going out into every field and every cell. Open your heart. Tune into the unified field of infinite possibilities where health and vitality are always available to you. Health and vitality are always available for you. Health and vitality are always available for you. Ask this magical energy to show evidence this healing is real. Take a deep breath. Open your heart even more, calling in the elevated emotion of gratitude. Give thanks for a new life, a new body, before it is made manifest. Imagine your healed, vibrant version of yourself with a strong and healthy circulatory system. Feel the heal. Now I'd like you to gently and slowly open your eyes. Take a nice big yawn. Take a nice big stretch and return to your room.